Hey guys, it's Desi Jade and I'm back again with another video. Today's video I filmed this cute rubber band space bun hairstyle. This little hairstyle to do when you're tired of the same old styles, and this is what it looks like. Yes. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looked like at first. This is an old slick back ponytail that I have been wearing for a couple days. Okay, so I'm starting off by just parting off the top section of my hair, basically from ear to ear, and this is the section that all the rubber bands are going to be at. After that, I'm going to split that top section in half, just so I have two even parts. Alright, so starting off on my right side, I'm going to part that section in half one more time. And then from here, I'm just spritzing my hair so I can detangle it really quick before I begin my first part. So in the first part of that half that I created, I'm going to end up making 3 triangles, and that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so I'm moving on to the back half, and to be honest, I kind of got a little bit lazy with this part, so I just ended up making the back section 2 squares, but overall I still like how it turned out at the end. moisturizing with the yall leave-in conditioner so my hair lays nice and pretty and smooth for this style. Okay, so working with the top 4 sections, which is the 2 front triangles and the 2 middle squares, I'm just going to twist each section and crisscross them like that, if that makes sense. If not, you can see it in the video. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the middle triangle and I'm going to twist that and add it to the second square, which is the square closest to my ear. Lastly, I'm going to take the last triangle, the one by my ear, and I'm going to add that to the first square that we started with. Here's what it's looking like so far, and then now the other side. The next thing I want to do is just part my hair down the rest of the middle so I can start to form my 2 buns. The back of my hair was looking a little dry too, so I'm going to moisturize the same way that I did with the top part. So I'm just grabbing my hair up and I'm smoothing some gel on the back just to get it more smooth and slick. After forming the 2 ponytails, I just wanted to show you guys what the back looked like. And honestly, you could leave it like this in the 2 ponytails, but I wanted to do the buns. So the bun part is really all about your preference, however you want your buns to look. I just sort of played around with it and figured out how I liked it. here is the final look. And now I'm just gonna do, of course, a little 360 for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this cute, fun, summery sort of hair look. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Desi. Also, like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and leave a comment down below if you like this hairstyle and if you want to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay happy, stay positive, and most importantly, stay blessed, because God is good and He's good all the time. Bye!